The Vivo V17 comes with AI quad rear camera and a 32 megapixel front camera with super night mode that lets you click clear pictures even in the dark. The phone is available in Glacier Ice and Midnight Ocean colors. Vivo V17 comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that allows for easy multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo V17 features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus iView display. The E3 Super AMOLED display comes with a 20:9 aspect ratio that provides an immersive viewing experience. It also features an in-display fingerprint scanner for a faster access. The quad camera setup includes a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel super wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera. It also comes with a 32 megapixel front camera for selfies. The Super Night Mode lets you click clear pictures from both the front and the rear camera, even in low light and night conditions. Powered by Android operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. It comes with a 4500 mAh battery with dual engine fast charging technology. The box includes handset, earphones, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film and user manual. The Vivo V17 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Say hello to the new V17. From the quad rear camera to the immersive iView display, it's turning it all up. You can take a walk to capture the brightest of nights. Yum! Or you could turn to the lightest of fights. But this is the real master of selfies. Not him, the phone. Go anywhere, click anything, faraway things. Hey there, goat. Nice bag. Unlock possibilities and click really, really close things too. How close exactly? Ha! That close exactly. Clear? Say cheese! Oh, it's bringing the heat. And widening smiles too. And it's always turning up the fun! Talk about a stable job. Get it? Hey, don't turn away. The real highlight needs real low light. Even the sky isn't a limit. Oh, and everything's really, really fast too. The new Vivo V17, clear as real.
Hey everyone, so today let's go ahead and unbox the Vivo V17. Now this is a smartphone that comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. It's got 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage as mentioned on the box. So that's what's on the box. Let's see what's inside of it. So the packaging itself is pretty amazing. It's also got the IPL branding. So let's just put that off to the side for now. And when you take off the box, you actually get this nice little black case which has the V17 logo on it, and on the inside you have the TPU case and this little thing which actually has the Type-C cable on the inside. So everything is actually packaged very neatly in here, which is pretty awesome. So we're not going to mess with that. Let's just leave that here. Then inside the case you have the phone itself. Let's go ahead and take that out. Unfortunately, there is no way to take it out without tipping the thing over. So that's the Vivo V17, and it's actually a fairly gorgeous looking device. So it's got a quad camera setup on the back, the Vivo branding on the side. It's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and put that over here. Underneath this little paper cutout, we also have a charger, and it's a 18-watt charger again. So that's 18 watts of charging, and you also have a pair of included earphones, which is pretty awesome because these days not a lot of manufacturers are bundling earphones in the box of the packaging. So that's essentially what you're gonna get inside the box of the Vivo V17. You've got the phone, you've got a TPU case, you've got the charger, a fast charger that is, and even earphones. So typically if you buy this phone, there's not going to be much else you would need to, you know, sort of spend your money on, whether it's audio or whether it's protection, because the phone also comes with a screen protector pre-applied, so that's pretty amazing. And on the back you have a host of cameras which should be good enough for you to take photos at pretty much any occasion that you so choose. So that's pretty great. So hopefully you found this unboxing informative and it's helped you to make a decision on whether to buy the Vivo V17 or not. And from our perspective, it's a fairly well packaged device, and of course in terms of its performance, that's a topic for another video. Thank you guys for watching this video.